Hi guys, today I'm very excited because I just received this WEMATE mini pocket and notepad holder, which I think it's really nice. It's from synthetic leather. This one is the blue one, and it comes with a pen that I'm gonna take out of the package. It's a really nice metal pen that you roll to open and you put it in this place here, and it comes with 8 Memo books refills, which I think it's really nice. So you take them, you put in this space right here, and you are ready with your notepad. You take the pen, you open it. It has a little gel cap on, so you make sure to take it off. And now you can use it to write things. Like this hello. But another thing is that it has hours, so you can, well, I'm gonna take this off, and like has space for you to put the date, so I'll put a random date. Like that, and the hour, let's say at 10 a.m. I have a meeting. At 2 p.m. I have a lunch. So you can write and be organized like this. In the shower, you just take it with you. Like this. It's really small, really convenient, and well, it's foldable, which is really nice. It don't take that much space. You can even put it on your back pocket like this, and it fits perfect. It doesn't take that much space, and these are really great. They're nice. Thank you.